Hey guys! You won't believe what's been happening in the mining world lately. A solo miner just struck it big, mining a block all on their own. It's making waves and proving that solo mining isn't just a dream. Are you curious about solo mining too? Well, today, we've got the perfect rig for it, the NerdOCTAxe. As soon as you power it up, the fan kicks in and the screen shows its SSID. Now, grab your phone, find the Wi-Fi name NerdOCTAxe ACD5 and connect to it. Once you're connected, it'll take you straight to the miner's page. Hit Settings, pop in your Wi-Fi details, and don't worry about the pool setup, it's already sorted for you. Just add your wallet address, and if you're feeling cautious, chuck in a backup pool. Scroll down, click Save, then hit Restart. Once connected, the main page will update with a 9.6 terahashes per second hash rate, 14.1 watts per terahash power usage, and a 50 degrees Celsius temperature. Plus, it shows you its IP address, so you can pop that into your browser and access the miner's interface. On the next page, you've got ASIC settings and pool details. The third page shows the Bitcoin price, hash rate, and chip temperature. And on the fourth, you'll find network difficulty, total hash rate, 1048 exahashes per second, actual blocks, and next halving. So, there you have it folks, the NerdOCTAxe in solo mining action. Is it worth it? Well, the numbers speak for themselves. Let me know in the comments if you think solo mining is the way forward, or if you'd rather stick to pools. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. See you in the next one.